So continuing on with the bread and butter series, I'm going to show you how to enter in some of the transactions through purchasing. And I have actually logged in here as a different user called Emma Penny, just to show you how different permissions can affect what a user will see within the system. So if I click on the drop down here, all Emma can see is these few modules. She doesn't have access to any of the core accounting modules. But within purchasing, then she can actually add all of the different transactions within the purchasing module. So very different to what I see as my user. I have access to everything, but Emma is only able to access these few modules. So if I click in then to do a purchase order, you'll see it's quite similar to putting in an AP bill. Anything with the red asterisk has to be filled in. So I'll do a drywall here, my pay to return to automatically populate. I'm going to select Walton House as my job. You can obviously put in any of this reference message, all of this information if you want. You're probably not going to have vendor document number at this point. Down here, then your entry screen, you have to put in the job a second time. My cost code, then I will do furnishings, cost type, materials. My item pre-fills in automatically from my cost type. And then I'll leave my conversion type as quantity. And I'll say 10. And my price is 100. So my extended price then is 1,000. On show details then, I am going to edit my entries layout. And I'm going to select my little billable checkbox and I'm going to put it up here because it should have been up there anyway. And then I'm going to save, apply, and save layout. That is going to change that layout across every user. So it's not specific to your user. If you do change the entries layout, it does it for all users. It's within the system. So then this is a purchase order. I'm going to want to make a billable to the job. So I'm going to check that box. You can either draft it or you can post it. But in this case, I'm going to click post. So now that purchase order has been created and it is in a pending state available for conversion. So as always, like and subscribe and stay tuned for more on purchasing.